I'm back in my yard. There's Willow. Anyways, I wanted to give you an update on what's going on with our Ruth Stout method and our potatoes. As a reminder of where my potato is. And voila, there's potatoes. Now, I need to give you a bit of a disclaimer here because I had to go back and really start moving this hay out of the way because it was too heavy on top of the potatoes. So they were all starting to grow kind of parallel to the ground and not growing vertically. So I needed to give them a little bit of wiggle room here, but really they're doing fantastic. Let me show you another one that's already popping out of the ground. Go over here. Look at that. Starting to get little plants coming up. But this was really, really dense, this hay. So I've learned that that's why they start the hay method in the fall and let the hay really start to break down and decompose. But like I said in the first video, these potatoes were sitting on top of garden soil, so they had a head start, and then the hay over top of them. See, that potato there looks like it's just turning to mush. I might get some green in there, but actually this soil, this hay is quite cold. So I'm gonna loosen that up a little bit, put it back over top and see what the heck is gonna happen. One that's not happy, just kind of sitting there loosely. Looks like it might have gotten some frost and froze, not too sure. I'm gonna keep it there for a while because I see this tiny, tiny little green sprout. So I'm gonna cover it up again and hopefully it will get some growth going on there. I have 22 plants coming up here and only about 3 or 4 of them rotted. Pretty sweet. See what happens in the next couple of weeks. Accidentally covered up my rhubarb and look, it came through the hay. It survived. I'm gonna pick that today. I'll come back in a couple weeks and I'll let you know what's going on here with the hay garden.